How much does it cost to repair keying damage with insurance? If your car has been keyed, you might be asking yourself about the costs and how your insurance can help. Let's break down what you need to know about keying damage and insurance coverage. First, it is essential to understand how insurance works in this situation. Comprehensive coverage is the part of your auto insurance that handles damages not caused by a collision. Keying is considered vandalism, so if you have this coverage, your insurance should help pay for repairs after you pay your deductible. Now, let's talk about the costs involved. The price to repair keying damage can vary quite a bit. If the scratch only affects the clear coat, you might be able to buff it out yourself or pay a shop between $150 and $300. However, if the scratch goes deeper and reaches the color coat, repairs at a body shop usually cost between $400 and $1,000. For deeper scratches that expose the metal or primer, or if the damage covers multiple panels, the price can rise significantly. In these cases, you might be looking at costs of $800 or more, sometimes even exceeding $1,500, depending on the extent and location of the damage. When you file a claim for keying damage, you will need to pay your comprehensive deductible before your insurance kicks in. Deductibles can range from $0 to $2,000, depending on your policy. If the repair cost is less than your deductible, you will pay out of pocket. If it is more, your insurance will cover the difference after you meet your deductible. Filing a claim for keying damage is generally a straightforward process. You will report the incident to your insurer, provide any required documentation, and get an estimate for repairs. Keep in mind that making a claim could affect your future insurance rates, but the impact is usually modest for a single comprehensive claim. If you do not have comprehensive coverage, you will be responsible for the full repair cost. In this case, if you can identify the person who keyed your car, you may be able to recover costs through small claims court. Ultimately, whether to file a claim depends on the repair cost compared to your deductible and how much the damage bothers you. Cosmetic damage from keying does not affect how your car drives, so the decision often comes down to appearance and personal preference. To sum it up, check if you have comprehensive coverage, compare the repair estimate to your deductible, and decide whether to file a claim based on cost and personal preference. If you do file, expect to pay your deductible before insurance covers the rest, and be aware of potential rate changes.